Colt Selleck from Hi-Ho Stable Garage, and I'm going to show off today my 1996 Ford F-150. So this is my 1996 Ford F-150. As you can see, it does not look like one. This has an 80s front clip swapped onto it. It is a 96 cab, an 80s rear box. It is on a 94 frame. It has a T19 4-speed and a 460 big block from an 85 in it. A 600 Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. This is all 80s dash that I welded the new tabs into the 90s cab, so it accepted the 80s dash. Tachometer, Hurst shifter, or Hurst shift knob, bench seat. Very, very minimal rot on the cab. The box, very, very minimal rust on the box. I'll show you underneath in a second. Steelies with the white chrome centers and the chrome rings on the outside. Custom port ornament made by me, welder. Pop the hood for you guys in a second. So as you can see, it's 460 Ford. I have an 85 Edelbrock 600 CFM carburetor. Lots of different knickknacks. Batteries on this side. A whole bunch of stuff. There's an old reservoir from a Dodge Colt for the radiator. Big story on this one, but we'll get into it later. Added a light to the top so I can work on it during the night, on the side of the road, whatever. It has long tube headers, inch and 3/4 inch primary, or inch and 3/4 primaries, to a 3.5 inch collector, then a 3.5 inch true duals from the front to the back, all the way to the back of the truck, with Flowmaster Super 40s on the back. So I'm gonna start it up for you guys, so you can hear it, so you can hear the 460 sing out the back. So here's a shot underneath. I redid the frame. The box is basically rust free. The cab is basically rust free. I made a drive shaft from the front, and then I personally made the rear one. All new brakes. All new brakes, all new tires. Everything. It's 350 clutch right now, so it's pretty heavy. Couple leaks there, mostly from transmission rear and valve covers on engine. So yeah, you'll be seeing a lot of this truck later on. We have some big plans coming for this truck, so stay tuned. See ya.